Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the smartwatch and remove the band so you can access metal parts safely. Use a soft brush to dislodge flaky rust, then apply a 1/2 cup white vinegar dabbed to a microfiber. This dissolves iron oxide. Once the surface softens, sprinkle a tiny 1 tsp of baking soda to neutralize acid and form a gentle paste. Let it fizz for 30-60 seconds. Make sure to keep liquid away from seams and speaker holes while you work. Once the paste has reacted, you continue by gently scrubbing corroded spots with a soft bristle brush or cotton swab to lift residues. This is how rust detaches without scraping base metal. For tight crevices, use a toothpick angled shallowly. Be careful not to push into seals or ports because moisture can enter. After debris comes off, wipe with a barely damp microfiber to remove salts. Then dry immediately with warm air or a soft cloth so oxidation doesn't restart. You finish by applying a thin film of corrosion inhibitor or a drop of light watch oil to exposed metal. This prevents immediate re-rusting and preserves hinges. Once fully dry, usually minutes for oil, longer if damp, reassemble the band and check movement and sensors. If something goes wrong, make sure to dry the unit for 24 to 48 hours in a warm, ventilated spot. If the watch remains unresponsive or shows water damage, stop and seek professional repair to avoid further harm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.